Hello, KonnectzIT family. Welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Hope you all doing good today. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually integrate Sociamonials inside KonnectzIT. Sociamonials is an social media marketing management tool where you can actually manage all your company social media campaigns, and also you can do all these things. So you can actually schedule your social media post, and even you can actually generate an auto link shortener, and you can traffic tracking, you can track your traffic, and also you can do in your own branding. So basically you can manage all your social media marketing using Sociamonial tool. So I will be showing you how you can actually integrate Sociamonials inside KonnectzIT. So let's get started by creating a workflow. Sociamonials is an webhook enabled app, so you don't need to authorize the app. So you just need to paste webhook manually and capture the response. So I'm going to name my connect as Sociamonial integration demo, and I'll be selecting Sociamonial app as my trigger. So just drag and drop Sociamonials, and I'll be selecting the trigger as new campaign entry. So whenever there is a new campaign entries inside Sociamonials, I'm going to capture that particular response. So I'm going to select that trigger and copy the webhook URL and paste the webhook URL based on the instructions given here. So I have to go to Sociamonials and go to the integration tab, which will be there in your accounts. So you have to click on integration and make sure you redirect to webhook and paste your webhook URL over here in the webhook URL, and also make sure you mapped all the webhook Sociamonials records, so basically your values, and click on save. So this will going to place your webhook URL inside your Sociamonials, and whenever you start a campaign, so I'm going to choose as new campaign. So for any new campaign, so when you are selecting a new campaign, so I'll just choose simple form submission. So I'll just taken this as simple form submission. Please choose the integration as webhook over here. So if you're not doing that, possibly you could not able to post your submission. So this will post automatically to the webhook, and we already post the webhook URL there. So I'll be posting these things and click on continue, and rest all things I'll be giving directly. So basically I'm just creating my own campaign. So whenever there is a new entry on this particular campaign, so this will going to give my entry. So I'll just copy the form. So I'll just say as publish to social media. So now I go to the form, exact form. So this is my form. So before I fill in all the details, I'm going to capture the response. Click on capture response inside KonnectzIT. So it will going to capture the response from Sociamonials from the form basically. So I'll go here and I will hit on capture webhook response. So now go to Sociamonial form. So I'll be filling this particular details, so with my entries, and click on submit. So this particular entry will be added, captured inside KonnectzIT. So now let's go to KonnectzIT. Yes, you can see this, guys. So we actually captured the email, name, last name, and also where the lead is coming from. So all these details will be given by Sociamonials. So now let's use this. So basically I'm gonna store this record inside Google Sheet. So which is, you can use this for any other purpose like storing it in your CRM or any other details. So I'm going to show it in Google Sheet as a simple use case. So I'll just take Google Sheet here and choose account and choose the trigger as create spreadsheet row. So whenever there is a new entry on Sociamonials, so I'm gonna add it inside my Google Sheet as a new row. So I'll choose the spreadsheet and choose the sheet and map the fields. So just mapping the fields. So I'll just map the name field to the name, email field to the email, and I can map any campaign name to the other field. So I'll know which campaign it is coming from. So now I'll hit on test and review. So this will going to add this particular sample data inside my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and you can see that this is added inside my Google Sheet. So now I will go ahead and publish my connect. So my connects is published successfully. So now I will fill the form. So I'll copy this link and possibly open in incognito mode. So just to avoid the duplicates. So I'm gonna submit the form again in Sociamonials. So as per our connect, automatically everything will be taken. So I'm just gonna and click on submit. So whenever a new entry is submitted inside Sociamonials, so now as per our connect, so this is how our connects look like. Automatically the record will be stored inside Google Sheet. So with the name field matched to the name field, email, and the other thing. So now let's go to Google Sheets. So you can see that the record is automatically added inside our Google Sheet. So this is how you can actually integrate Sociamonials inside KonnectzIT for any new campaigns you're making. So you can make campaigns like viral giveaways, or you can announce the winner. You can do a lot of things using your campaigns inside Sociamonials, and also you can schedule the post inside social media tools like Facebook or WhatsApp or anything. So hope you guys like this integration. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please drop your questions on the comment section below. Thank you.